Hello everybody. So today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is about Venn diagram. So now I will show you the answer. First, we need to draw the Venn diagram in here. We know that we have three subjects in here. So I put about three circles. So we have mathematics, psychology, and history. We know that the total people in here, that is about 86, and we have a student they don't check on 3, so we put number 8 in here. About mathematics we have 36, psychology we have 60, history we have 46. Now we have a student study on 3 subjects, so we put number 8 in here. The next one, 18 students study both mathematics and history, so we have 40. That's about M and history, but we have 18 students both mathematics and history, so we have 8 study in both 3 subjects, so this one should be about 10. 21 study both mathematics and psychology, so we have number 8 in here. So number 21 minus 8, you will got about 13. The next one, 3 students study history but neither mathematics nor psychology, so we have 3 students study in here. Now in this circle of the history, we have number 3, number 10, and number 8. We have 46. So in this situation, we want to find this circle in here. So that should be about 46 minus number 10, number 8, number 3, and you will got about 25. Now let's do another circle. We have number 13, number 8, number 10. We want to find this circle in here. So that should be about 36 minus 13 minus number 8 minus number 10. You will go about number 5. Similar for this one. We have number 60 minus number 13 minus number 8 minus number 25. You will got about 14. Now the question they ask, we need to find the probability that a random selected student from the class has studied psychology and history but not mathematics. So we have psychology and mathematics, psychology and history but not study about mathematics, so that should be about 25. And we need to divide off 25 plus number 3 plus number 14. Because 25 represent about study about psychology and history but not study about mathematics. Number 3 and number 14 just like the total students study psychology or history but they don't study about mathematics. So we divide this one in here and we got the final answer, and you got about 25 over 42. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.